What up? What up? I got to bring the chat up on here. Yo. I'm not at my usual spot, so I'm just kind of trying to set all this shit up real quick. What up, Brandon? Yeah, I'm just trying to get it all set. What up, Donna? I got to view. Why can I not see? Oh my God. All right, I know what I need to do. Yeah, I got internet, BK. I got the old internet right now. Okay, here we go. I just got to go live chat. Now I could freaking see. Yo, what up, Allie? I'm going to see if I can leave it on my screen I got now, and we'll see how it plays out. Oh, man. Dude, market. I could have got freaking hosed today. What up, Bum? What up, Christopher? Amelia's in here. DBT. What up, guys? Am I in jail? No. I'm in this was a kid's room at one point. That's where I'm at. What sucks is I missed a great trade last night, and today has sucked so far. So I'm just kind of working myself through. Kind of just waiting it out. It's a hollow room. I got a bunch of shit. Hold on. Let me see what I can do. Hold on one second. Yo, I can throw another blanket on the floor, maybe. Yo, what's it like? What's it look like right now? Is it better? Put on the space helmet. I'm not home. Bro, you talking about gold? Gold was unreal last night. What up, Code? Yeah. Yo, did you see my new mic? So I left my house without my mic or my camera. So I had to stop at Best Buy on my way out here. And now I have this. I am, I don't even know what to say. I don't even know what it sounds like. Oh, it's not even on that. Watch, ready? Yo, what is this? Does this sound better now? I just switched to this. Does it sound better or worse? It sounds good. All right. I mean, if I was, dude, that's crazy what's going on in LA. They destroying that thing. Yo, hold on one second. Hold on one second. Yo, give me like 10 minutes. All right, I'll be back in literally 10 minutes. I got the person I'm out here for just arrived, and I'll be back 10 minutes. What's up, Maria? Watch this. Am I going to do it? Fuck it. Yo, I'm going to ride. Yo, what up, Kyle? I'll be back in literally 10 minutes. Oh, I'm back. Okay. All right. I'm fucking back. Holy shit. All right. I got stopped out. Cool. So stupid. Nah. So that's at a pool alarm. So when you open up the back door, the slider, that goes off to let you know that the door is open and it hasn't been closed. So like a lot of kids, they open up the back door to go to the pool and they don't close the door. And if it's a young kid, you want to make sure they're not going in the pool. What up, Racer? Good news is I'm gonna be back streaming at my house at 2:00. Bad news is I gotta still drive home. Yeah, I'm gonna have to drive home. Will you do full port? No. I don't know. Maybe when I go home for the afternoon stream, maybe. I have this like weird mouse here. I keep clicking the wrong fucking button. I need to get a mouse for this office. I was planning on getting one of those roast beef sandwiches that I wanted. Fucking roast beef with Swiss, lettuce, tomato, onion, and pepper. But if I do that, I'm not going to get home in time for the afternoon stream. So I'm just going to blow home and go quick. What up, Monet? Yeah, the guys are working on the thing downstairs. That's why you hear that shit. Tell you what, it's starting to look head and shoulder-ish. We come up here and then just fucking dump it, maybe. What up, SK? But the good news is I'll be back home. So it is what it is. Oh. I don't know how you guys do this fucking copy trader. I hate this copy trader here. I'm just chipping away. I mean, $179 is nothing for me to make back. So, how are you guys doing today, though? Anybody playing? Anybody in? Oh, man. So I was outside for fucking 2 minutes. I feel like I got mosquito bites. Dell's feeling it. London was slow. This is slow. This is super slow. Look at this thing. Boom, 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 boom. Bring it back up. Amir took a buy earlier on ES. EU had bank holiday. That's why. I'll be honest with you, Sean. Maybe you don't do that trade if London has a holiday. Just throwing it out there. Might be on the no trade list. You know what I'm saying? Like if London has a holiday, you don't do that. Just an idea. I think we're going to end up going lower here. The hourly chart is starting to curl down. So the hourly is starting to turn over. I'm curious. Yeah, no, I know. I was just throwing out like things that might make it better overall. Duck Race is open for anyone that's in here that's not looking at chat and just listening. Man, this is slow. Trust futures. What's cracking, man? I want to see it trade all the way down to this breaker at 21, actually. Let's see if we get to like 36. No, I'll take 36. I'll take a 10-pointer. Just chopping these fucking losses away, man. All because I just fucking left a trade in them. Bro, this guy's car's not starting. Fuck, man. Yeah, Doug. Just watch out because you got the 21 on the 5 right here, and then you got 2 imbalances. China. Yo, the China news with Trump dropped already. Basically, they met. They both accused each other of not following the agreement, and then that was it. They both accused each other of not following the agreement, and then I don't know. Stupid. Fucking stupid. And then they agreed to meet another time. He invited Trump to China. Trump invited him to the United States. And then that was it. Yep. I mean, honestly, without anything concrete, it's kind of fucking, you know, without anything concrete, it's not great. I would say it's not good or bad. It's just if 5 was neutral and 0 was super bad, maybe it's a 4, 4.5. Like it's not good. It's just maybe very slightly bearish. Yeah, but they got to get there. They got to get there. Fuck, man, this freaking market's slow riding. I'll tell you what, when I get home today, I am going to slam these. So these all got rebuilt. These are those $16 accounts I got. I'm going to slam these today. I just don't want to do it on this fucking computer. I can't copy trade here also. There's no Replicanto here. I have no Ninja Trader here, no Quant Tower. I'm just glad I could stream and trade like one Tradeivate account and then copy trade through their bullshit copy trader. Bouncing off the 21, all these little imbalances. I don't trust that. So I'm trying to think what I should eat for fucking food here. Yo, it might be a full degen afternoon. Am I visiting inmate 69 in jail? No. I'm out east. I'm out east right now. I got about an hour and a half drive, hour and 45-minute drive to my house. So, there's just no like push or like, I know the candles look big and stuff, but realistically, this whole bounce up is 10 points. That's all this is 10 points. Like, we're not really getting to. Oh, I got a wife and kids. I have nothing if I left. Jeez, you'd see me in my parents' basement. Oh. What happens in jail stays in jail on the down low. Yo. I don't know. Should I bring this home? Should this be my new microphone? Yo, see, like there's no push. Like they just pushed it and they just. Kelly Kinley. I like it. It's not terrible. I just don't know like if the sound is better with it. I will say it's distracting while I look at the monitor that the colors keep changing. How's that sound? Because I'm trying to stare at the monitor and the color just keeps moving around, and it's definitely distracting. Like it's just in the corner of my eye, constantly rotating colors. What up, Dip and Rip? What up, Discipline? Yo, can I? How do I do that? How do I turn the colors off? I don't know how to do it. What up, Noel? Here, I'm just testing this. Can you hear me? I was hitting this button to see what it does. It doesn't do anything. Yo, as I turn it, I don't know, man. I think that's how quiet it is. I think that's the microphone volume that I'm playing with. Bro, Dell, you know we're guys. I didn't look at no fucking instructional manual. Dude, there's no What's up, Nao? Oh, dude. Bro, instructional manual? Dude, it's in like 18 languages. Bro. Yo. I'm pressing holding the thing. It's not working. What up, TiVo? Yeah, I don't know what's going on here. Dude, I can't figure this shit out. Connecting headphones, selecting polar pattern. I got to hold for 2 seconds. 1, 2. Yeah, I don't know. What up, Walter? We're going up again? I hope so. What up, Amir? Bro, I got this whole freaking sheet out. Bro, that's too much for me. I can't read that shit. Just have this market go up. Push it. Just trying to make some of my money back. I'm at BE, baby. We at BE. Keep it going. I want to see. The only reason I go to break even here is because see all these wicks? We can easily just wick all the way back down, right? We can just wick here and then come back down. So I want to make sure I ensure that I get out and protect my account, especially as we start going up here. We're starting to get overbought on the one. So, you know, what I don't want to get caught in is I'm holding it. We don't break these wicks, and then it trades back down to like 47, and then I get stopped out when I could have just went to break even. Also, I have another issue. I can't do OCO orders on here because I'm not using Ninja, so I can't I'm constantly like leaving orders in. It's pretty fucked up. What up, Luca? What up? What up? Oh. I will say I am going to not stream until noon. Yo, what up, Oliver? I'm probably going to get off a couple minutes earlier just to allow me to pack my shit up and head back to my house. So I'm home for the 2 o'clock stream at my house where we can fucking rip it. Yeah. Nice, Andy. Very nice. I missed out on $3,500 because I'm at this fucking computer last night on gold. What up, Jaden? What did I lose on this trade anyways? 168. I'd be green on the day if I didn't just do that stupidity. I'm going to be honest with you. The price action is just not pushing one way or the other, really. What's up, Enchanted? I'm just looking to see what some of these other markets doing. Market, don't go sideways because I need cash now. Yo, what up, Sovereignty? What up, Garen? Bro, NQ is just freaking slow. By the way, if you won a My Funded Futures account last week, I'm going to check my email when I'm home today. I'm going to submit everything with My Funded Futures today, and you should have your Starter Plus accounts by tomorrow. Just throwing it out there for anybody who's wondering. Oh. That's why I find it so much easier to do it the other way. I just fucking basically send you the money for it and be done. Do I take this trade off the rejection right here and see if we trade all the way back down? Tight stop. See if we trade back down. What is that? The imbalance rejection? I'll risk it. It's not even 10 points. Yo, it looks so far. It's not even 10 points that I'm risking. I'm not even risking it for the biscuit. There's almost it's minor risk. If we come down and touch 54, though, I'm going to move my stop down. What up, Del? Flip. Monet in the house. What's up? Monet, I am handling the My Funded Futures thing today. I was just waiting for everybody to get back to me. I mean, I have a tight stop. I'm not really risking much here. I think I'm risking like $50. What up, Victor? Yeah, I don't want. It's so much easier when I'm in charge of it and I can just send money. When I deal with the actual prop firm, like I normally never do. A couple people have asked for me to reach out to get more shit, so I reached out, and that's what they gave me to do. So I was like, all right, cool. But it's a pain in the ass. I got to get everyone's email. I got to send it to them. And it has to be not just an email. It has to be the email that's on your account. So it's just a pain. So much easier the other way. What up, Oscar? Oh, did they just sweep me out? I'm break even right here. They fucking sweat me out. They sweat me out right here. If this goes below the 34, I'm gonna move down just a little bit. If I get stopped out, I get stopped out. Bro, the very fucking top. See, this is the problem with trading without my normal copy trader, right? So I'm out, right? The orders get left in. So now I got to fucking click this button to get out. It's okay, CT. I'm playing small now. When I get to my house fucking later, I'm going to start slamming this bitch. $140, I'll be able to make back in one trade easily. I'm trying to figure out if I want to hold. I'm not going to do it. Hold the trade while I travel back home. Boom, 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 boom. 2 times. If I had a guess, volume is super low today. You can just kind of see, like, we're on the 1-minute chart. Like, that looks like a big candle. That's not even, this isn't, that's barely 10 points. Barely 10 points. Crazy. Crazy, crazy. I guess because London does have that holiday. Maybe that's why volume is just so low right now. Boom, boom. Yeah, CT, you can just tell. You know what's going to be ripping tonight? Gold when it opens up. Or when, CT, I don't know if you were around last night, but when you reach the Hong Kong section, that time of the day when gold goes crazy, that's going to be wild tonight. Time for London's killing you. Bro, when that shit opens up, man. Oh. What's up, Akash? Hung Cow Griffey? I don't know why when you said that. Have you ever seen that Goof movie where the cow starts doing karate against the other guy? It had to be like back in like 2000. Oh, it was called Kung Pao, I think it was called. And the fucking cow is doing karate. Nah, it's 9 p.m. Eastern CT. Yeah. I mean, you can watch it at 9. There's an 8:30 thing. There's a 9 o'clock, 9:30. I think the open for gold is actually, is it 8? I think 8 o'clock is when it really opens. I'm going to be honest with you. I haven't traded gold. I haven't traded gold in maybe a month. Yeah, I want to say I haven't traded gold in a while. Dude, this isn't even a lot of points. It's so fucking crazy how this is today. Dude, I almost just left this order in. Is 8 o'clock pre? 9 is Hong Kong. 9:30 is Shanghai. I didn't even know that. No, not Kung Fu Panda. It was Kung Pao. Look at the movie Kung Pao, CT. Good morning, Marie. I didn't even realize how tight the fucking stop was that I had. Would have made money. I was in on the retest and I got top ticked and then I got back in. Dude, I'll be honest with you, Doug. I wouldn't trade gold, man. Gold will crush you. Gold is not easy to trade. Dude, just Google it called Kung Pao. I think it's called Kung Pao movie. Let me look. Kung Pao movie. Yeah. Kung Pao, Enter the Fist. Bro, bring that movie up. Kung Pao, Enter the Fist. Bro. Yeah, some of you guys might be too young that you had never even heard of the movie. What's up, Elmi? Yeah. Yo, it was absolutely ridiculous. Yo, Sean, it was actually the only. I walked out of the movie theater. I'm not even going to lie to you. I walked out of the movie theater. I refused to watch it. I was like, what am I fucking watching here? I literally said, what am I watching here? Like, I walked out. Never watched it. I probably walked out like 40 minutes into it. I think he fought the cow, and I was like, I'm out. Dude, it was so bad. I'm telling you, I walked out. Out. Is this where the VWAP is? Yo, they don't, yeah. Dude. It was just so stupid. Who keeps showing up at my fucking door at home? Wait. What? What up, Jack? If anyone's joining out, yeah. All right, guys, this is what I'm doing. What up, Xander? This is what I'm doing. It's 11:23. Price action sucks right now. I'm packing my shit up, and I'm going to get to my house by 2 o'clock for the afternoon stream, and I will try to put on a show as much as I possible with these fucking brand new 50K things. You want a dad joke? I don't. I gotta pull one up. I don't have one off the top of my head. But yeah, I want to make sure I'm home for the other stream. I don't want to miss out. So I apologize. Price action was and then I had to handle that other thing, so it kind of sucks. But we're not really going anywhere. I mean, I just shorted this, but you got this breaker right here that we're kind of in. Actually, fuck it. Watch this. You ready? Fuck it. There you go. I'm leaving this order in. Yeah, I'm leaving this order until I get home. Maybe it hits, maybe it doesn't. We'll see what happens. I'm willing to risk it for the biscuit. You heard? I'm leaving this up. By the way, if this goes up to like 63 before I pack my shit and leave, I'm selling out. So if I can get, I don't know, a couple hundred, like $100, I'm out. Other than that, I'm leaving this in. It is what it is. If you want to support the stream, use the code below. If not, I will be on the afternoon stream with you guys. We'll do an account giveaway. We'll have some fun, and it will be hopefully better price action. All right, boys. Peace.